Okay guys, so I am back. This is one of my pretty Christmas presents. So I'm getting ready to make Monsters Attacking Sky's belt on her door. Sorry, I got distracted. Getting ready to make some more baked potatoes. So my pot came with this one and then one with longer legs on it, so you can do double row of eggs on it. I use it for potatoes because I find that just sticking the eggs in there works just fine for me. I'm fine with that. This is a 6-quart. According to the directions, you can do roughly about 8 potatoes in here. Sorry, I shouldn't find it comical that Monster is attacking Sky's belt, but it is to me. Okay, so I've got them all in here. You can, my OCD is not letting me leave them like that. But anyway, once you get them all stacked in there, I'm going to need about 1.5 cups of water. So I'm going to go grab it. Measuring cup. Sorry to make you dizzy. You get called for 1.25 cups. I usually put about a cup, 1.5 cups. And that's just under a cup. And I just need to, this guy probably thinks I'm knocking on her door. It's a little too much. Okay, close enough. So I'm going to pour this into the bottom. The potatoes are up, so basically they're going to be steamed. And I'm going to put the lid on. I've used it so much that some of the black coloring is starting to come off. I think it's funny. And I've got it on pressure. And I'm going to turn it on. These potatoes are between medium and large. I'm going to put this on for 17 minutes because the large ones need to be cooked all the way. If you've got potatoes that are bigger, like jumbo size, I would do 20 minutes. And then I usually let it come down from pressure naturally on its own, which usually takes 10 to 15 minutes after that. So I've got it on for 17 minutes. It's going to come up to pressure, then cook for 17 minutes, and then it'll beep like crazy and let me know it's done. And then I'll just set a timer on my phone at that point. So I'll bring you back once the potatoes are done and show you how tender they are because they're awesome. And you can see Monster in there. Monster, what are you doing? You being the monster? That's the belt hanging on Sky's door, so she keeps attacking it. Are you done? All right, I'm going to go back to the potatoes now, okay? Because, of course, you're not going to do it while I'm looking at you. Brat. All right, I'll bring you back once the potatoes are done. Okay, so it's been 23 minutes since I finished cooking, and my pressure has been released naturally, so I'm going to go ahead and just leave it on vent. You can see all the steam coming from that. Now I'm going to switch hands with my camera real quick because I'm right-handed. You can see how easy that fork went in. So, like I said, these are the best frickin' baked potatoes in the world. And it doesn't take much effort. I don't have to poke them, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm going to go eat one. So there you have it. I'll see y'all later.